Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pas Jegenda and today we are reviewing the new Filmcity Show the Rig. Let's roll the intro and jump straight into this video. See you. Now, we received this new Filmcity rig months back and been trying it out. So, due to the fact that this rig is really amazing, I decided, why not? Can't I just do a video talking about its advantages, but also letting you know its disadvantages. Now, for those of you who would like to buy the Filmcity rig, it costs only $250. That is really a good price for such a rig. But also, it weighs 8.8 grams. That is its weight. So when you buy the Filmcity rig, one, you will receive the focus puller, you will receive the mat box, but also you will receive the cage and the shoulder pad. These are the parts that you will get, but also you will receive the holders of which you will hold when you're holding the Filmcity rig. But some of the advantages it has, you can use it handheld while you're using your body as the tripod, but also when you have this rig, you can as well put it on your tripod. The Filmcity shoulder rig weighs 4 kilograms and it carries the weight of up to 4 kilograms. So when a camera and the rig is combined, you will be carrying 8 kilograms on your shoulder. But also another advantage of this particular rig is you can mount it on the tripod and you will be filming with it. Another advantage that I found with this particular rig is when you have this rig, your clients will really have that extra trust. Remember, every video you make has to be a platform for you to market your business or your video business. So when you have this rig, your clients will take you very serious compared to someone who just shows up with a camera and a tripod. Another advantage that I realized this Filmcity rig has is on the mat box you get the sun rays protectors, all blockers. So when you're filming under the sun, your camera or your lens will not be affected by the sun rays. When you put your camera on and you start recording, you will have great cinematic shots. And these shots will be very stable because compared to handheld shots, this film rig, all the shoulder part, will give you that extra stability for your shots. And away from you getting stable shots, when you get this Filmcity rig, you will be mind blown by how easy it is for you to assemble. Since in the packaging, you will receive instructions that guide you on how to assemble this Filmcity cinema rig. But also another advantage that I've found with this particular rig is that it has different points where you can attach other accessories like the microphone, like your light, like so many other accessories that come along with cinema cameras. So I advise you to have this rig. I'm going to put it in the description below. But away from the advantages, I say this particular rig, it also has disadvantages, all its downsizes. Now, some of the downsizes I found with this particular rig is the fact that the mat box sun rays protector tend to fall off. I wish they made them when they are just on and you can't just remove them, all with the walls that you just screw and they can't fall off. But these particular ray blockers will fall off, so you might lose them in a way, or in the long run they will reach a point when they can't be fixed properly on this particular rig. Another disadvantage I found with this particular rig is if you have not practiced well, this rig will become a little bit heavy for you because your body is the tripod and you will be shaking. So you have to either get a tripod for it, or even you need to practice with it when you buy it for you to be able to get those nice and stable shots. having talked about you being the tripod for this particular rig, when you buy this rig, you don't get a screwdriver for you to attach or assemble these different parts that you get when you buy the whole package. So you will need to have it. I wish they would have included the screw in the budget so that when you buy it, you get that screw for it to be easy for you to assemble it. But also when you're mounting a camera on this rig, you will need to have the screwdriver with you anywhere you go, because if you want to put it off, it will still need you to have that screwdriver to make it easy for you to remove a camera off the rig. But also another disadvantage that I have found with this particular rig is the fact that for people who use long lenses for video work, this is not a rig that I recommend for you, because this rig is made for those small medium lenses. Thank you guys for watching this video. My name is Pius Jagenda, but before I forget or before I disappear, this video is proudly sponsored by Ivy League Collective. But also, let your money work for you as you're sending money to different parts of the country. My name is Pius Jagenda. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And in case you have any question that you'd like me to tackle, please comment it in the description below or in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.